Tea in a cute cat mug. Check. Birds singing outside. Check. It's a perfect day to craft. Today we're going to be making an open terrarium with a miniature desert scene. We're going to have some cactus in it. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you put a layer of gravel and wash this off if it's dusty like mine. Then you can take your soil and then just put a layer of that all over the gravel. Next you want to take your cactuses, and I brought these 3 in a pack from Ikea. I think 3 will fit perfectly in here, but I still have to test that out. I'm choosing to repot my cactuses because the soil is just really bad quality and dry. So I'm just taking apart the soil and leaving the roots. Now you have your 3 cactus in place, we're going to go ahead and put our final layer of sand. Now you want to tidy up around your cactuses, so I'm just pushing the sand down around it. You can also do this with a paintbrush to get in between all of the little gaps. Especially for the prickly cactus. To make it more exciting and add some detail, I'm going to create an artificial sand dune. I've created a small one here, and then I'm going to add another small one here. So I've created a smaller sand dune now, and I'm going to create small waves in the sand to make it more realistic as well. So just grab a small amount and shape it like so. I've also created these waves in the sand here using this part of the paintbrush, just like this. I think it's certainly coming along and really does look like a mini desert. I had this camel here, and literally this was the whole reason why I wanted to make this project, but now he's completely out of scale, so he's not going to be in the project. And instead I'm going to be using our little buddy here and placing him just in between the 2 sand dunes. And for the final touch, I've taken this out of a potpourri packet, and I thought it resembles a rattleweed, and I thought it's just perfect, and I'm going to be placing that here. I'm just taking my fingernail and putting some small fine lines and grooves into the sand just to make it a little rougher and more realistic. What should we call this little guy here? Let me know if you've got any suggestions in the comments below. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more miniature sceneries, stick around and click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you in the next crafty video. Bye!